Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install seller outreach using MailerLite. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your MailerLite account. If you don't have an account, visit the MailerLite website to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Campaigns tab on the dashboard. Click on the Create Campaign button to start a new project. Select email as the type of campaign you want to create. Give your campaign a unique name for easy identification later. Next, choose an email template that fits your outreach needs. You can select from a variety of pre-designed templates or start from scratch. Once you've chosen a template, click Edit to customize the email content. Include a compelling subject line to grab your recipient's attention. Personalize your email using merge tags for a more engaging touch. Add your content, images, and any relevant links to the email body. When you're satisfied with the email, click Continue to proceed. Create a new group specifically for your outreach contacts if needed. On the next screen, review your email settings, including sender name and email. Ensure your from address is recognizable and trustworthy. After reviewing the settings, click Confirm and Continue. You'll reach the final step where you can double-check all your details. If everything looks good, click the Send button to schedule or send your email. For advanced options, explore automations for follow-up emails. Create effective follow-up campaigns to engage your audience. Utilize tracking features to monitor open rates and clicks. Analyze these metrics to refine your future outreach efforts. This simple process empowers you to effectively manage your seller outreach using MailerLite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.